got two cases here, Mr. Miller. You're here for a show cause on both of them. In case number 221447 SM. The charge on that was malicious destruction of a building, $200 or more, but less than $1,000, and breaking and entering. That one you owe $125. The other case, you have a breaking and entering without the owner's permission. That one you owe $100. So the total amount between both cases is $225.
I don't even get how I got fined that because I had to bond out of Eaton County in 2023.
That happened in
I had to bond out of Eaton County for these charges, so the tickets should be paid.
The bond in Eaton County won't apply to files in Allegan County.
It would, because they wouldn't let me out until I paid a bond of $400 for both these tickets.
That would have been stemming from your domestic violence, not from this.
No, it would have been for these tickets.
It doesn't cover the whole thing, sir. You still owe money. So what are you gonna do if I let you out? You've missed several show cause hearings for the last 4 years.
Ma'am, I've been in jail the last 2 times I've had a show cause hearing for this.
Yeah, you've been in jail for 4 years?
Basically, if you want to argue the facts, yeah.
I'm not arguing the facts. I'm the magistrate. I'm telling you what's happening in this case.
I understand that. I owe $100 on 2 tickets, which I don't understand because I had to pay a $400 bond to get out of Eaton County.
And it didn't cover it, sir. When was the last time you were in jail?
April. I got arrested for being on my front lawn on my mom's birthday because my aunt has a PPO for something she wasn't even a victim of. But anyway, ma'am, as soon as I get some money, I will bring it immediately to the courthouse. I have a court date tomorrow. I don't know if they're going to let me out or whatever.
Well, you would have had to stay in touch with the courthouse no matter what. From this case, too, you owed restitution for 4 years, and you didn't stay in contact with the court for 4 years.
And I told you they put a PPO out on me, so I couldn't go to my old address. That was the reason I told you I had the wrong address.
You knew the court had the wrong address, and you didn't call to change it?
Man, that's hard enough for me to walk down the street.
It's hard enough for you to call the court and say, I know I have a huge responsibility of restitution and my address
of $100.
Yes, $100, sir. At this time, I'm not going to change your bond.
What the f are you talking about? You might as well write it off. Do they still do pay or stay?
Nope. We're going to set this for a show cause tomorrow. We're not going to amend bond. And please think about your attitude while you're in your cell tonight.